Did you know that you can earn $7 again and again, and all you need to do is just to touch your screen? You can do this on your phone or a computer device, and let me show you how it works. Before that, if you want to earn $4K to $10K every month, so I am going to give you one course. If you find one emoji, which I have hidden in this video, you have to tell me your answer in Instagram. I will give the link in description. If you are right, then you will get those $100 course absolutely free. In the method I am going to tell, you do not need to invest any experience and money. This method is absolutely free. So make sure you will watch this video completely. So if you have not liked the video and subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe quickly. Welcome to X Finance. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Step number 1 for you will be to go to this website called Enroll. You can find the links of all the websites that we will use in this video down below in the description, so feel free to go to the description and save some time. Now this is the website that will pay you just to touch your screen. You can see here, let's make the web a better place. When you scroll down, you will see how exactly you will get paid. Here it says be the first, take tests anywhere, earn rewards, and change the web. So this is a website that will pay you to test some apps and websites, and you will just need to click some buttons to see if everything is working well on those testing websites. Here you can see that this website has given the opportunity to his customers to take over 650,000 website tests. I will show you step by step how this works, and at the end of this video I will give you crucial tips that you don't want to miss, because they will help you earn 10 times more money and start earning today. So make sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Now here is the button which can start a sample test for us, so you will see how these tests look like. When you click on this button, it will open up a new tab where you will be able to start with a test. Here you can see that you will need to do a couple of different tasks. And to start a test, you need to click on this button that says let's begin. Here is the beginning of the first question, and you can open it by clicking on this button. As you can see, click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. Here is the image of the website that you need to take a look at. Here you need to choose where you would click if you were on this website, so just choose what you would be interested in. I would click here on flights to see available flights for my trips. There will be this purple circle, and you just need to click on continue. Now you can start with question number 2 just by clicking on this button. Here is the question: what does this page make you feel? Here you need to scroll through this page, and you need to take a look at it. Then you just need to be 100% honest, and you need to choose the feeling that you felt through this page. You can also choose more options, so I will choose joy and surprise. When you click on continue, you will be sent to this page where you need to write why you felt like that. Also, this is an optional part, so you can skip this if you want, and you can click on continue. Then you will need to fill out some information about yourself, like your gender, education, age, and income. After that, just click on this button to complete a test. And that is it. The only important thing here is to be 100% honest and tell what you really think about anything they ask you for. Now step number 2 for you is to create an absolutely free account on this website. You can do that simply by clicking the sign up button in the top right corner of the page. It will then take you to this page where you need to fill out your email and password in order to make your account. Then just click on this sign in button. And that is it. Congratulations, you have successfully created your brand new account on this website. Now if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on.